I want to make a big tool bag, as big as this one. Someone told me what bag he wants, and it is a good client, so I decided to make a pattern for him and for everyone else, of course. This will be the main body, and it have a gusset, this one, and like all the time I will line the face, the back, the bottom. I will align like this the cover, the flap. Here it will be a bigger space, as big as this, because I want to bend easy. Here I want a firm bending, and here I want a softer bending. After I line the leather with the stiffener, I will also line it with thin pigskin. For the gusset, I already prepared pigskin over the stiffener, because I want that this part will bend more and easier, because it will be hard to stitch otherwise. Here is the leather. I will make the straps from some contrast leather. The face of the bag. The stiffener is a little bigger. A little space. The bottom of the bag. Here 5 millimeters. The back of the bag. You see? Everything is here. And here is the flap with the lining. And I will align the gusset like this and like this. I will show you when it is already lined. I will show you how this looks. Look why this will stay firm and like it is stiff. Everything is bending as I want. Looks perfect. Nice proportions, everything okay. I will line this on this. We will use this bone folder to press. Then I will strongly press this with all my weight. Pressed well. Now I will trim the excess. And now we have this. Looks good on the outside, looks very good on the inside. Now I will glue the stiffener already lined on the gusset. and I will press it well. I tried to film, but it doesn't record. I wanted to show you that I use stiffener to reinforce this piece of leather that will keep the D-ring. They work perfectly together. Glue. So it is like this. I have the signs for the holes. I used the pattern, so I have the signs. There is a drop of glue here. I will clean it with this. Holes using the marks. Really easy. I already made the straps and the pieces for the buckles, same. I always use glue like this. I have a few steel buckles. They are proper to make a toolbox. D-rings also made of steel. Sorry I don't have thicker D-rings, but I have only one. I cut almost everything. I prepared the straps and now I will make holes, all the holes, and then I will stitch all the stitching. I want to tell you that this hole in the corner, when you stitch the gusset, it will be in this empty space. The back will be stitched like this. This is a single hole. You don't stitch it, Tasha. It remains here, and then you stitch the bottom of the peg. Another lonely hole, and then those. I made all the holes. Everything is glued. Now I will go and stitch everything. And now I want to stitch the gusset. I will show you what happens here. So I will do as usual. I will keep something here. I will help with a weight to keep everything in place. This is the thread. I will start here. Okay, this is the first step. Equalize the thread. I'll stop and I'll show you what to do at the corner. We are close to the corner, so let's make here. I stitch the gusset too, but now I won't stitch the gusset. I will go here in the corner and now I will go to make the bottom here. You see? Okay, I have to let's make this step like this. Okay. Okay. I made this step. I think I will show you how I stitch, how in fact I stitch like this. We will do the same at this corner, and at this corner. Let's finish the stitching. After I finish the stitching, I will use edge paint to paint the edges, of course. It was a really easy stitching because I bent the gusset with my plier and the holes matches perfectly. I have a pain here, so I will use a plier for extracting the needle. This is the bag. It looks like this. I like it very much. Now, from now on, I will make this stitching too. I will stitch this perimeter because I want it to look better. It looks too good to let it as it is. I stitched everything. I have to make the straps. I will make them at the end. The bag will stay closed because I made these ears. I want to make different spaces inside, so I will make 4 walls in a square. This is 16 centimeters. I will make something of 16 centimeters. So I will cut this. I will use this to make the next one. I have this tool to make a square. I will make it here. Five millimeters. The second one. Five millimeters. The third one. Five millimeters. The fourth one. I will let a space here, you will see why. Now I will glue all this here. And I will place here another piece, you will see why. I will press down. Now I will trim the excess. will cut here too. What is the sense of this part? You'll see this. This will stay and close everything. Now, because this is ugly, it is white and I don't want to see it in the bag, I will use another seam leather, this one, and I will glue this here. It is dried, so I will join the parts. I will use a bone folder. Okay. Now I will press as usual. It doesn't cut as well as I like, so I will sharpen the blade. This is a Falkniven ceramic stone. Really, really good. Now it will stay like this. I will stitch here and let's see how it goes inside the bag. It is perfect for this bag. You see, you can place it wherever you want. I will make the holes here. Let's see how I can do it. Okay. Too tall. Like this, like this, like this. Now I have a construction and I will make the holes.